my heart was broke before. But in the end, I'll be worth a whole lot more. Used like a book read so many times, front to back it starts to split in two. Used like a house where a family lived until they died, and there's a soul in every room. I know I'm not some brand new dress hanging there perfectly pressed that never has been worn. I've got some buttons missing, and there's a couple stains and places where the fabric has been torn. But in the end, I'll be worth a whole lot more. This fragile heart's been passed around, been ignored and been let down, been learning since the day that I was born. But everything that it's been through has led me down this road to you, and I can give like I couldn't give before. In the end, I can love a whole lot more.
Bad news travels like wildfire, good news travels slow. They all call me wildfire, everybody knows, hell, I'm bad news. Everywhere I go, always getting in trouble, leaving them girls that hate to see me go. They tried to hang me in Oakland, and they did in Francisco, but I wouldn't choke, hell no, I broke that rope. They had to let me go, son, I'm bad news. Everywhere I go, always getting in trouble, leaving little girls that hate to see me go. Well, from north to south and east to west, the story's all the same. One state to another, I had to change my name. I'm bad news. Everywhere I go, always getting in trouble, leaving them girls that hate to see me go. I lumberjacked in Maine. Well, I've been hired and fired and jailed in any town you can name. Son, I'm bad news everywhere I go. Always getting in trouble, leaving them girls that hate to see me go.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm going to end it with this next one. This is, again, just a reminder that you can go out on Spreaker.com, go to Conservative Radio Network, go to our site. The show is My Independent Music Fix, and you can go through all of the episodes of this show, and you can see the tracks that were played. You can obviously download the shows. You can get the tracks that way. Just a reminder, if you have some tunes, if you know a band, if you are a band, if you are a solo artist, whatever, have some tracks, you can email me at thecrn@hotmail.com. And again, just write in there that it's okay for me to play it, that you have the rights to it. And if you want to share some information about yourself, I'd be happy to pass that on as well. I am going to end it not with any independent music per se. There's an independent artist performing it. However, a classical tune, Ave Maria, and just a tune. That sounds odd when you're talking about classical music. But just a great tune to reflect to, maybe offer a prayer up for the victims of the terrible events of this week. And, yeah.